this is Ben from Bulldog Bytes, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the math function in Onenote. So you're going to start and you're going to take this little pencil up here, and then using your finger or a stylus you're going to go and you can draw your equation. So we're going to go x plus 3, and we're going to square that quantity, minus 7, and we're going to set it equal to 0. So then you're going to take this white box with the dotted lines around it. You want to select the whole equation and hit the math button up here. And then you're going to see your equation should pop up here. So we're going to hit ink to math, and it draws it as the equation with the right notation. Then we can come over here and we can select an action. We can say solve for x, and it's going to give you here, and you can drag this out, the answer or both values of x in this equation. Then there's also, you can a drop down that says show steps. So if you select this here and you can drag this out, then you get as soon as it loads in, you're going to have all the steps for how this equation would be solved correctly. And then the last feature you can do, if you go over here and we have graph both sides in 2D, you get this graph here that you can insert onto the page, and as soon as that loads, that's going to show you the graph of the equation, as well as it's going to have the x-axis highlighted because it's set equal to 0. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or use our website, and have a nice day.